Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome little lunchbox. It's like a bento lunchbox. It has so many little compartments to add such amazing little things into it. It's so important for me when I make lunch for my kids or even for myself. It's like a motivation to want to eat what I cooked by making it look nice. So I love this box for that reason. It's not just an ordinary lunchbox that you're not excited to open up. I'm going to share with you some of the details. Here is my lunch. I made this for my girls. It's very simple. It fits a sandwich in there on the top. Usually I like to put a little extras to make it look prettier, but there was definitely more than enough room for fruit. There's my salad. I keep this one specifically for notes because it is a thin container. I really like that I can put my notes in there and they're not going to get ruined. It comes with a spoon and the fork, and when you lift it up, here is my beautiful salad. My kids are actually excited to eat this. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.